I'm now with Alan Jones on the Midget and Sprite Club.co.uk stand. Good morning, Alan, and welcome to the Classic Restoration Show 2025.
Hi, yep, Alan Jones. I own the 1958
This little
Frog Eye
Frogeye.
Sprite. That's right. It's a pretty rare one. It's got what they call the nine stud windscreen, which they only fitted from the May of 1958 when the car was announced, from May till the September, because they wanted to enter the car for the Alps, the Rally Days Alps in the September, and the works driver says we're not driving it with a soft top because all the rain and snow will come in. So in September they made all these modifications, which my car obviously hasn't got. Yeah.
So how long have you owned it?
6 years now. I bought it from a guy in the club who's deceased now, I'm afraid. But I'd known him from the year 2000. He'd put an advert in the club magazine, which is a great way of getting in touch with people. He said, I'm pretty ill now. But he'd been saying that for a few years, to be fair. He said, but I can't even lift the bonnet now to do regular maintenance.
Well, the bonnets are heavy, aren't they?
Oh, very, very heavy. 125 pounds, whatever that is in kilograms. And I, the day that the magazine came through, I'd already got a Frog Eye Sprite. In fact, I got 2 Frog Eye Sprites. And I said, John, I said, look, whatever you're asking, I'll pay it because I know it'll be a good car. Because he used to do the London to Sydney marathons in Austin Healey's. And he did it twice. Was that impressed with the Austin Healey? I'm going to buy one of those. Couldn't afford one, so he bought the Austin Healey Sprite instead. Yeah.
So how much work have you done on it?
I messed around with the engine a bit. It's got a hotter cam in there. The engine's been uprated from 950 to 1275, the midget one. So it's got a hotter cam, and obviously with a faster engine you need better brakes, so it's got the midget brakes on. So of course
you've got to uprate everything, haven't you?
That's right, because of course these developed into the midget anyway.
That's right, yeah.
So yeah.
It looks very nice, yeah.
It is. Bodywork, everything he did a long time ago.
Right, okay.
It's done 70,000 miles.
Which is nothing, is it?
It's nothing for a diesel engine, but but it goes really, really well. Having said that, my original Iris Blue one, which again was 1958, that still had the 950 engine and drum brakes all round, but it had a fiberglass rear end, fiberglass front end. It was only half the weight, so I could keep up with everybody else. It was great. So
mine started off with a fiberglass bonnet.
And I've got another one at home that I bought from Texas.
Really?
I sold the bonnet, actually a steel bonnet, for what I paid for the car in America, because there's loads of them there. Most of them went there. And I bought a fiberglass bonnet, so I thought I'm not going to struggle with it. I was going to put a fiberglass one on here, but the car is in such good condition, I don't want to mess with it.
Oh well, thanks very much for the interview, Alan, and hope you have many more miles of happiness with it.
So it is a rare one, having the 9 studs on the windscreen, which were only fitted. I think there's only 17 of them still in this condition, out of the 30,000 that were made.
Thank you very much. Thanks,
No
Alan.
problem.
Thank you.